Hello Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your mid-month love reading. This is exclusively a love reading for all those singles, married, divorced, relationship, situationship people. So in case you're looking for a general career related or day-to-day life related reading, then that has already been uploaded. Okay. This reading is going to be in English. If you're comfortable with Hindi and Urdu, then there will be a separate video for that. So please ask yourself a question, what you want the cards to tell you. Hmm. I see that you guys are spending time alone and something is definitely stressing you out around this time. Okay, but don't worry, justice will be done. I know you cannot see the entire spread, but I'm going to show it to you. Yes. All right. So let's begin. The first two cards are Nine of Stars and the Justice card. Some of you could be dealing with a Cancer, some of you could be dealing with a Gemini. Doesn't have to be. Take what resonates with you. The second two cards are the Postulant and the Fool card. So I do I do see that in the past somebody betrayed you, somebody lied to you, somebody cheated on you, okay? And now that's causing you a lot of stress. You cry over that person, you think about that person a lot, you think, why did it happen with me? What did I do? I only gave them love, I only gave them attention, not knowing that, uh, that they are loyal. Okay, so you maybe fell for the looks, you maybe fell for the uh, you know uh, the words, only the sugar coated words. Sometimes we do that when somebody is extra nice to us. We don't try to find out what's the reason, why are they being nice to us, but we just fall for their words, right? And somebody who's straightforward, we will not like that person. Why? Because they're straightforward. So that is a very stupid thing that is going on around this time with most of the people, that they, instead of choosing a straightforward person, they choose person who's lying, who's deceiving, or who's only sweet on the face, right? So I do feel that you have fallen for something like that, someone like that in the past, and I do see that now you are repenting. Okay, you are really cursing yourself literally, that why did I do that, why, how could I trust this person? But I do feel that justice is going to happen. If this person has wronged you in the past, misbehaved with you in any way, lied and deceived you, then there's going to be justice. It could be that you are married with this person, it could be that it was a relationship, or it was extramarital affair. Okay, so justice will be done to you. If somebody has tried to harm you in any way, karma will be balanced. If you have done the good path, if you have walked on the right path, then karma will be on your side. Otherwise, the other person is going to get the karma, the good karma, and you're going to get the bad karma. So you have to tell me what you have done, right? You know, and if you think that yes, you are on the right path, you've never done anybody wrong, then you're going to get the good rewards from the karma. But if you are the one who has caused hurt and you've cheated and you have lied to the other party, that is to your spouse or to your partner or to your girlfriend or boyfriend, then you're going to get a bad karma, Taurus. Okay, so that is what I'm getting from the first two cards. I would like to clarify the Nine of Stars. Please tell me about the Nine of Stars. Yeah, so because I think somewhere it could be that you, I'm also seeing that you have caused someone hurt in the past, and now that karma is rewarding you, you are thinking that why is it happening with me? And then you realize that, oh, because I have hurt somebody in the past, I cheated on somebody in the past, that is why you're very scared of the karma right now. I also see that, Taurus, you could be very scared of how things are turning out in your life right now. Okay, and you do realize that it is because of your past karma, because it is causing you anxiety, stress, and worry that, oh my god, I did not behave uh, good with that person in my life. They only give me love, they only gave me happiness, and I took advantage of them. And now that people are taking advantage of you, bad things are happening to you, now you know that, oh my god, this is what I did to that person, how hurt that person must have been. So I also see that karma is trying to balance it out. for the world in general, like for larger justice. Okay, so not, justice is not just happening to you. If you have done something wrong to someone else, then justice is happening to them as well around this time. So I do see that your karma is sort of happening in your life. You're getting the rewards of your karma, bad or good, that depends on your karma, your deeds in the past. So that could be one of the reasons why you are having sleepless nights and why you are so scared right now, in living in anxiety and worry right now. Yes, yes, I do feel that. See, with the posture and the fool card, I do feel that in the past you have made some foolish decisions. Okay, you acted like a fool. You were a player. You didn't commit to anybody. You played with everyone's heart. You kicked one person out, you kicked another person out because you think you are something, right? It could be that you were earning well in your career and doing well in your career, and you kept hurting people along the way, thinking that you are better than anyone else, everybody else, right? So I do see that your past karmas are now come back to haunt you because things are not going very well in your life, right? This is causing you a lot of stress. You're sitting alone, you're thinking about what all have you done. Oh my god, I also see some of you repenting, which means some of you could be really sorry for your deeds and actions. That, oh my God, how could I hurt that person? How could I behave like that? I was such a fool. Maybe you have come to a realization also around this time that I acted as a fool. I was impulsive. I was wrong. I was hurting the other person. So I do see that karma is playing its role in your life, and you are coming to a realization and you are repenting your past deeds. So it's a good thing that you're doing that, because it is important for you to repent and to apologize to the person. If not physically, if you think that it is not possible because it's been a while, many years, and but the realization has happened just now, just sit in front of God and just try to apologize to him, and make sure that you do not repeat that mistake again. Otherwise there's no point of apologizing, right? So I do see that you are going to repent around this time a lot. Okay, so it's a good sign that you are realizing. I do see that is happening with you, karma balancing itself, but I do see your personal life messed up around this time. I'm really sorry to say this is what your card are telling me. Okay, I also see that you do wish to start things from the scratch. Okay, it could be that you want to start things from the scratch from a particular person you hurt, or it could be that you want to start a new life and become a better person, or start a new life means with a new person, look for a new person. So it could be anything. So I do feel any of the one things could be, you must be thinking about, oh, I wish I could go back to that person and start things from a clean slate, apologize, and ask for their forgiveness, and then just start like nothing happened. Or you could be thinking that I want to just repent, and end my bad behaviors, and I want to become a new person altogether. So it could be anything. Okay, so take what resonates with you, and if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. I would be really, really happy. Also do comment and let me know if you guys related with this, and if you think that yes, this is exactly what is happening in my life. All right, so take care of yourself. I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.